It's going to be a review of the EXPO, where is that? EXPO 80661, low odor, I think it's a low odor chiseled point black marker, dry erase marker. So I bought these online. I bought them on the big A, and I got it from a company called For Sure, which is really kind of weird because I bought it from For Sure, but it shows that it was shipped from Office Max Office Depot. So I don't know if For Sure is drop shipping for Office Max Office Depot or not. But the weird thing was I bought 4 of these. I got a deal for 4, and I kind of freaked out because I opened up the package and none of these markers were in the package. The package was torn open and half the package was missing, but there was a sticker in there that said 4+1. So they sent me 5 of these for the price of 4. So I guess that's a good thing. All right. Besides that, the price was the best of all of them online. So I got 4 of these for $3.99 plus tax. Ended up coming out to getting 5 of these. Now, why am I doing the review? I mean, look at this. Look at the board over here. You can see it's just so hard to erase with markers. I've got the markers over there. I got the Costco board, and I mean, look at what happens when you write, when you go to erase, and you get. We've all dealt with this. The only way to clean this thing is I have to use a marker cleaner. I'm using carpet cleaner or some type of cleaner, because even with the eraser, if you clean the eraser, it doesn't matter. You use a paper towel, and you got to clean this stuff up. You get all this smearing stuff. Well, you can see it's leaving the markers leaving, the eraser's leaving it all over. But all over this board, when I use these markers, and when I try to clean it up, even with the, now it's coming off a little. A lot of the dirt now is coming off of the eraser, but it's just an absolute nightmare with the markers that I have. And so I was hoping that I could find something easier, and that's why I went with the EXPO. So it's a low odor, chisel point, dry erase, and let's just try this out and see. Wow, what a big difference. A big difference from the stuff I've been using. And the black actually stands out better on the board. Let's try a wide, let's try the wide one. I'm not a teacher, so I don't know how to use these. Or I'm not an executive that's paid $500,000 a year to do speeches in front of a whiteboard. So here we go. Chisel point, nice. Wide point, yeah, it's okay. I'm happy with this stuff. You know, for the price, you can't beat it. And I'm not gonna. Well, let's see what happens with the eraser. It's probably gonna leave a lot of this dirt, but let me see what happens anyway. It comes off. That's incredible. So let me go get a paper towel. Hold on 2 seconds. I'm not prepared. And this is what ends up happening. Like I showed you, everything smears all over the place, even with the color thing. So let's see if the black comes off. It comes right off. So I'm happy. I'm definitely happy. When I try to do that, you get the thing over here that says Setup Camera. Let me try to erase that and see what happens. See, it's smearing. It's coming off, but it's smearing the ink all over the place. And this EXPO didn't seem to do that. Of course, it hasn't been on as long as the other writings, but even when I use the markers and I just write on there and try to erase it, it doesn't want to come off. This seems to come off nice. So I'm happy with it. Hey, do a thumbs up, a subscribe, or a like if you're happy with my videos. If you want to donate to my channel, ask for my PayPal info. If you have a product you want me to review, if I can get a hold of it, I will do the review. And, yeah, subscribing's a big thing for us YouTube creators. Make sure you watch all my other videos. Thanks for watching, everyone.